Good morning, good morning. It is Friday, June 30th. I need to update this. All right, cool. We are in an NQ trade. Oh, I should put that on here. $1,400 on this NQ trade on Bold Wave. Let me get on TikTok because I'm not on there yet, and I want to be, because TikTok is my favorite. I got this new, oops, remember I told you guys I was going to get this new
order filled.
NQ took profit there. Why can't I push this button? Oh gosh, my phone is acting. All right. Yeah, cool. All right, now I'm going live on TikTok after a little bit of movement. All right. So, as I was saying, we're in this NQ long. Good morning. It is Friday, June 30th, the last day of June, the last day of the month, the last day of the week. And on top of all that, let me share this link in the group. It is a holiday weekend. So we usually see a lot of nice movement on a holiday weekend. We'll see if we get a pullback that we wanted. Oh, I have a level here at 35. Anybody else have this level? So NQ was in this long at the report. There was a PMI report at 8:30 this morning. And this is Bold Wave, and it was green, $1,400 at the highest. It closed the trade now at $1,100. So that is a nice move. What trade is that? Gold is in this trade. Is it?
Order filled.
Nope, natural gas is in a trade too. I wonder, oh, is it this oil? No, but this oil's in a short, so we can watch that while I get everything situated. So the market is fully closed on Tuesday. It's a half day on Monday for the stock market, but I don't like days like that. I don't like half days.
Order submitted.
I'm going to not be trading on Monday or Tuesday, which means there will be no live stream on Monday or Tuesday. So please don't freak out when you don't see me live and you're like, wait, where's Lauren? Because I am going to be spending a long weekend with my family recouping. Please give a thumbs up if you're on YouTube. There are 13 of you. If you're in TikTok, please tap that screen, send some likes. Just go like this, tap, 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 tap. Hi, Marvin. Good morning. Yesterday was a rough day. This week is actually pretty rough, but last night was good. All the LISs were green, and then the ranges were also all positive. Oil was 1 for 2, so it was a break even. This is showing you this other oil trade. Gold range right here, 2 for 2. Gold night was 1 for 1, and then gold day was 1 for 1.
Order filled.
I'm pulling up the stats. Yes, but gold night hit the offset, so it was 300 instead of 600. But that's okay.
Submitted.
Natural gas is in this long. This is the first natural gas trade that I have seen because I loaded it yesterday. Oh no, I don't want to change that. I want to change this. The thickness of the candles is just too much for me. Yes, exactly, Jonathan. So true. Yep, so I will be back on a Wednesday after today, and we're going to be live this afternoon too, but after that, unless I'm on this weekend just showing you, like I might come on Saturday to show you more testing because we are rolling out Wave and the premium algorithms this weekend. But other than that, I'm going to be trying to enjoy some time with family, blah, blah, blah. There are 2 months. All right, so this is natural gas, green $90. Good morning, Roland. God bless you. Oh, also that oil trade is green, $260. I can't see around this thing. So guaranteed green on this oil short. Oil's in a short. Natural gas is in a long. Gold is in a long. And YM is in a short. I would love to see what NQ is doing right now. I'm going to pull this off to the side. So natural gas is in a long for $120. Oil is in a short for $250. If you want more information on a fully automated algorithm that will trade for you, It's so funny. I have a bunch of people
Target filled.
from Canada in my group now. I've always had some, but I think I have the most right now that I've ever had. ES is in a long. ES range is in a long here, so we'll see if this can play out. This has been green all week, every single day. The only day it wasn't was when Powell was speaking on Wednesday, but we had it turned off because we know better than that. YM is in the short for $200. It's kind of stuff everywhere. So YM is in a short. Natural gas is in a long. Oil is still in that short, $140. ES is in a long, red 37 at the moment. Oh, this one's kind of fun to watch, so we'll watch this one. Thanks for sharing the live, Jen. Yep, if you could share it in the group. If anyone else can share it, either on their Instagram or on TikTok to some people that they follow, that would be great. Hi, Kyle. We are moving into my birthday month, so I'm really excited. What's up?
Order
The
filled.
little one is still home from camp, but feeling much better, which is good.
No, my throat is.
Your throat's fine.
No, it is.
Okay, we'll go take your allergy medicine.
No. I don't know where it is.
All right, I'll get it after this call. Go ahead. Go ahead, bud. Go lay down, please. Sure, but the Gatorade's already in the other cup, so just get the other cup, the red one. No, I'm not going to come with you. I know, well then you're going to have to wait. You're going to have to wait. Thanks, Jen. I'm going to pin that. Jen will be live this afternoon, but again, we will not be live at all on Monday or Tuesday with the holiday. ES is pushing up here. Let's see if we can hit this target on ES. We love us some ES on range. Again, we've been running this in testing for the last 9 weeks, and it's just been amazing. I think I made like $7,700 then, and then this last week, did we run it last week too? I feel like my weeks are just smushing together. No, this was the first week, and this week it's green, $1,237 on the week so far. Eggs and waffles, let's go. Also overnight, gold was 2 for 2, which was awesome. Oil was 1 for 2, so it was break even overnight. And the LAS. I don't trade stocks. We only trade futures. This is the S&P 500 on the futures market. This is the NASDAQ. I'm also running gold, oil, natural gas. Let's get back to ES. ES is green, $100 here. We're still in this natural gas long. Green, $50. Oil is still in that short for 220. That's this trade. Guaranteed green. Nice, Joe. Yes, so thanks for reminding me. The Apex sale ends on Tuesday. So don't let the weekend get ahead of you and then you kind of forget about it. There's a 90% sale from Apex. The last time they did a 90% sale, I think it was February. So they don't do 90% very often. So it's $17 to get a $50,000 cash account. So oil is still in this short. Natural gas is green, $170 on its trade on Wave. Again, oil and natural gas are on Wave right now. YM as well. ES is the only thing on range that's in a trade right now. Good morning, good morning. It is Friday, June 30th. It's 9:39 in the morning. If you have any questions or you want more information, please email us at boldbotllc@gmail.com. I will never message you on TikTok. I will never message you on Instagram. If you're getting messages from someone, it's not me. And I'm not a pushy person. Like somebody the other day almost got caught. He was like, I was wondering why you were being so pushy. I'm like, yeah, that's not me. Like, go block that person. They try to impersonate me all the time and try to swindle people into crypto, and crypto sucks, so F that. Oil is still in this short. Natural gas is still in the long, $180. That is this long. Yeah, so don't take any DMs. We're green $200 on ES. I really want to focus on ES here, But I do have to change it. Hold on, let me change the account so you guys can see this. All right, this is the ES with the chart trader turned on, meaning you can see the where the target and the stop loss is. So we got to get up to 75. We were just at 74, so you're 1 point away from TP1. We can do it. We can do it. 4 ticks. Good morning, positive vibes. Yes, please, please, please. We need it this week. So even with the crappy week, if you had listened and you turned some of the strategies off that we had mentioned to turn off when Paul was speaking right at the market open on Wednesday, we are only red $400 on the week, which, you know, it sucks to be, well, and we still have the rest of today, obviously. So like if ES hits here, then we'll be green on the week because ES is $500. But, and last week it was red like 80, but the week before, June in general, the first week of June was green $3,200. The second week in June was green $2,200. There we go. TP1 hit for ES. Let's get it in the chat. Pancakes or waffles. TP1 hit on ES. Let's get some waffles in the chat, right, Jen?
Order filled.
And if you are a student of mine, so Jen just posted about the student mentorship. It is super, super helpful. Oh, NQ on Wave is also in a long. So ES here is pretty much guaranteed green because the stop loss is right under the entry, if you see that here. Get some, guys, let's get some waffles. We need some waffles in the chat. Oil is still in the short, $120. Natural gas is still in the long, $120. NQ Wave just got in a long. That was the one that was in the $1,400 long before. We'll see if that works out. We're getting a little bit of volatility here. Nice waffles, Whitney. I love them.
Order filled.
I asked my son if he wanted waffles today. He said no. He wanted hot dogs. Okay. Yep, so it's $1,200, a one-time fee for the mentorship. You get 16 hours worth of teachings and learning, and then you also get 1 month in the group. So when you're in the group, and I'm air quoting that, it does not include the algorithm. But it does include a student call every morning. Good job, thank you so much. It does include a morning call every day just for my students. So a private student call, 8:45 to 9:15. We had one this morning. And then it does include manual alerts from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. It does include a proprietary zones. This is a chop zone. It's proprietary. And this yellow dotted line is the LIS. I teach you as a student how to find that. So lots of really good things with the mentorship. Plus, if you're using the algorithm or you decide to use the algorithm in the future, on top of the mentorships, you will just have a much better understanding of what you're looking at, what you're seeing, and have the ability. No, trades do not run through the weekend because the market is closed. It closes Friday at 5 p.m. and then it doesn't reopen until Sunday at 6 p.m. So you have the ability to look at the trades from the algorithm. So the algorithm's taking this trade. But if you took the mentorship, you would have no worry about this trade, if that makes sense. So along those lines, let's go ES. We're almost at TP2 here. TP2, let's go, let's go. We are so close. I actually should have said this for blue. I don't know why I didn't say that. Less than a point away to target. Let's go, ES. You got this. So close, so close. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. One tick away. One tick away. Come on, you can do it, ES. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Target filled.
Target filled. Let's go. Waffles in the chat. Waffles in the chat. The algo is $500 for 21 days and then $1,000 every month after that. Ooh, also NQ on Wave is in a $300 long. This is the one that, and it's guaranteed green at this point. This is the one that had the $1,400 long from the open using that 8:30 report that came out. And now we're in a $300 long. So this is already green, $1,100 on the day, and now this is another $300, guaranteed green at this point. Oh yeah, I think YouTube is on a delay. But I don't put it on a delay. Let me see. Details. Oh, actually, I think it's in this section. I have no added delay. Isn't that crazy? But YouTube is definitely delayed. Like, look, I'll show you guys. This is in the information of my YouTube. Added delay, none. So the delay is whatever their delay is. Green, $585 on this NQ long. This is bold wave. So if you were to close the algorithm down here on just NQ and take these profits for the day, you'd be green over $1,600 in one mini, and it's only been running since 8 a.m. Learning Jen are the fastest typers in the world. Nope. So, Fidel, you will not get alerts because that has nothing to do with the algorithm. If you're purchasing the algorithm, you get the algorithm, which trades for you. The manual alerts from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. are for my manual traders who have taken my mentorship. I do not promote manual trading for anyone unless you have taken my mentorship. So the alerts are only given to students. And they are on gold, oil, the NASDAQ, and the S&P 500. So you could always start with the mentorship, do that. You get a free month in the group, not using the algorithm, just in the group, having the alerts and the morning calls and stuff, and then you could move to the algorithm after that. Or you could start with the algorithm and add the mentorship after that point, which is what most people do. Green, $300 on the natural gas long. Hi, Carlos. Good morning. So wave is in a long of NQ, green $500. It's in a long of natural gas, green $200. And it's in a, oh no, oil took profit. So the oil wave took profit. That was the one over here. Look at how, yes.
At 900.
Good job, bud. You gonna catch up to NASA? Yeah. Oil took target there. Yeah. The mentorship is super helpful. You know, the algorithm does a great job, but knowing just more and more and understanding what you're seeing is just going to put you on the next tier. The ES that Irma is testing is at $1,000. Nice, Irma, and that is on Wave. The Blue just said the mentorship did wonders for me. I'm a workaholic and I don't have a lot of extra time. With the mentorship, you have 16 videos you can watch at your own time, and you will always have them. Yes, that is true. Thank you for posting that on YouTube, Blue. I'm going to show the folks on TikTok. This is true. So you get 16 hours worth of learnings, mentorship, and you can watch these videos as many times as you need to. You can watch them over and over and over, and you have access to them for life. But the only access that is limited is the one free month in the group. So that includes the morning calls, the chop zone, the LIS, and the alerts, the manual alerts from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Would I have to repurchase under the LLC? If no. Actually, Joe, you probably would if you want, because when you make profits, it's all going to be under whatever account you created. No, Fidel, I'm not sure. So again, the mentorship is $1,200. It's a one-time fee of $1,200. Divya said all green today on the first day, all micros and some minis. Yeah, I think you're over like $900, right? I saw you posting in results. That's awesome. Yep, so we are now green on the week. It's been a rough week, but now with this ES trade, we are green on the week, which is awesome. I'm going to do, if you have any questions, please put them in the chat. I'll be live until 10:30. We go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then Jen goes live from 2 to 3 p.m. She is one of my long-term members. She's been with me since 2020. Oh, I wonder. Oh, actually, we're green $900 on the week now. Much better than what I was thinking, which was $100. I didn't have the math correct. So oil on the week was red, $700. It just kind of had a flat week. Gold in total was flat on the week. Night was green, red, $300 early was red, so they cancel each other out. ES range, if you had it turned off on a Wednesday, which you should have because I told everyone to turn it off, ES range is 100% this week, $1,737 on ES range. Now NQ later and NQ early, we're still waiting on them to trade today. NQ later is green on the week, and NQ early had a loss yesterday, a full loss. So it is red on the week currently. So we'll see what happens with those. What's up? Oh, that's okay. Try again.
No, it don't.
Oh, go get the charger. So you can just email me at boldbotllc@gmail.com to get more information. Again, it's still in this NQ long. Natural gas is still in the long as well. Now $300 on natural gas. Yeah, so the services I offer, there's two totally separate services. One, do you want to manually trade? Do you want to learn how to read the charts and understand what you're looking at and manually trade day in and day out? Yes? Okay, take the mentorship. If you don't have time to manually trade and you want something to trade for you and you have emotions and you just don't want to see what's happening, then the algorithm is for you. Devious is up $2,058 on the day with his Apex accounts. Nice job. Remember, Apex is having a 90% sale and it ends on Tuesday. You can get $50,000 accounts for $17 each. Okay. Waffles, exactly. ES is 100% on the week.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Let's go. So $800 on this long now. This NQ long, we had a previous long that was $1,400. This is on one contract. So say you have 10 Apex accounts, right? You would be green on the day on each account $1,900. $1,900 on each account. You can withdraw $2,000 per account per withdrawal per month. So you get 2 withdrawals per month. So it's essentially $4,000. Also, natural gas is green $410 as well with one contract, $420 on natural gas. Is the natural gas part of this sheet or the part of, this is going to be a part of the premium subscription. There's going to be natural gas, copper, silver, gold, oil, the Dow, the Russell. So yeah, this is on Bold Wave, which is the premium, which is being rolled out this weekend. Do you make more money selling your bot or trading? Probably a little bit of a mixture. So it depends. 2022, my long-term portfolio did not do so well. It's doing much better this year. But like my first year of like my robot sales was definitely smaller. Like when I first rolled out the bot, I had no idea what I was doing. Oh, let's look at these guys. So this is what I mean about having several Apex accounts. Jimmy has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Apex accounts. And even though he's only, like say he turns them off $500 on the day, he's still making $2,500 or more on that day. There's another report at 10 a.m. Thanks, Jen. A lovely day today. Crown A 287. Does the weekend count? Yes. The 21 days is a subscription of calendar days. So 21 days starts as soon as you subscribe to the algorithm. Look at Joey. Joey made $800 on each of his accounts, and this was like an hour ago. So if he had ES on, he made even more. So the 21 days starts as soon as you sign up, and it's calendar days because it's a subscription from PayPal. It has no idea when the market's open or when the market's not. But that's going to include, like, you're going to want to be appropriate and sign up with enough time to get set up for that day. No, this is the old one. I don't want this anymore. I got a new one. Thank you. All right, give me 1 minute. Yeah, but it doesn't matter. The point is you're getting 21 days. You're getting 3 weeks of the algorithm for whenever you purchase it. It doesn't matter. You're still getting 3 weeks of the algorithm. So if you sign up on Sunday, you're getting Monday, you're getting Sunday for 3 weeks. The market is open Sunday night through Friday night. Nice job, Austin. Lock up those gains. Have a great weekend.
Order held.
So yeah. So you choose when you sign up. I'm not telling you have to sign up on a weekend. I'm just saying when you sign up, you are going to have to join Slack and then get everything set up, which typically, if you're good at computers, like if you're young and you know how to work a computer, you can get it done in 30 minutes. Some people that are older take a little longer. It can take them like an hour or 2 hours. Or if you get distracted and then you didn't actually do all of the things that you were supposed to do, maybe you had to come back and do it later. So, you know. That's, trust me, I'm good. Yes, it was perfect. I don't know why you didn't have the stuff on, because you had it on the past 2 days, right? First day today. Nice. Look at this guy. First day, he's made over $700 on all of his Apex accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at Thomas. Look at Thomas. $900 on 20 different accounts. Okay, well, now we're going to have a holiday ES on Monday and Tuesdays, so that's probably the worst day to turn it off was today. The worst day. And that's the thing. This is how people get so emotional and they get in their own way. You don't turn off the algorithm after you have a red day. That's when it's going to perform the best. You know why? Because the overall percentages and the data tells you so. The algos are anywhere from 80% to 98% win rate on the entire year of 2023. So if you have a loss like on Wednesday, or you have a loss on Thursday, we definitely had a red day yesterday. So you had a red day, right? And then you get emotional and you say, I'm going to turn the algorithms off because I'm emotional. Well, now you're missing out on today, which could have made up for already, 60% of the loss from yesterday? Like the loss from yesterday was 2,000. So if you've already made 1,000 on each of your accounts, you're more than 50%. No, that won't work because we've already made $1,000 on each of the accounts so far today. Yeah, ES has been a great add-on. I have to give the shout out to Brian on that one because he found it and I love him so much. Absolutely. 2 reds meant the sucker is staying and I have to steal power from a neighbor. So true, Tony. So true. Like, it's all about the odds. If you're a numbers person, you get this. If you're not a numbers person, then I understand that you probably wouldn't understand this. But it's all about numbers. If the data is showing you that for the last 3 years, NQ range has done X, then you know that if it has a red day or 2 red days in a row, that is a huge sign that that's not going to happen for a very long time. Like, a loss is not going to happen for a very long time. Look at Adnan. My platform kicks me out the ES trade, but I snatched up a quick 200 and gold's paid early, then off to the weekend. Look at all of his accounts. $600 on these 4, $300 on those. Nice job. Look at Michael. Michael has withdrawn from Apex probably like 4 or 5 times now. He withdrew $20,000 the other day. I posted his little message to me on Twitter. He thanked me like 2 days ago because his family has benefited so much from the algorithm. Like, I'm allowing you to run one algorithm subscription on 20 different accounts or as many cash accounts as you can get open. William has 5 cash accounts and he runs the algorithm with 1 subscription on all of his cash accounts and on Apex accounts. Like, there is no limit to the amount of money you can make with the algorithm. Law of average with a little OJ. Exactly. So the more Apex accounts, the better. One's not going to work. No, one would work fine. Like Irma has 1 account and she withdrew $4,000 the other day. So let's talk about what has happened since last night. I want to pull this up. Also, we're still in this $700 trade on NQ and $450 on natural gas. On the Apex account, don't red affect it and close your account. So that's called, Terry, that's called understanding your risk. And this is the biggest issue that new people have had in my group. If you don't understand the risk of the strategy, you can't run it. Look at this. Look at this. Everyone just keeps posting. Carlos, hands-free, done for the day. $1,000 down to $800 on every single one of his accounts. I don't even want to know how much Carlos has withdrawn from Apex. It's like so much money. Jeremy, the other day, and I have a thread. I could pull it up in a second, but what I wanted to pull up was this breakdown for Dale, who isn't sure what this ES trade is. And I was going to copy and paste this. 1 second. All right, so far on the day, YM LIS 1 for 1, RTY LIS 1 for 1, NQ LIS 1 for 1, GC range 2 for 2, and then oil range 1 for 2, which was a break even. ES range 1 for 1. And it only trades once today, so we are clearly in the green. Yeah, exactly, Kevin. Carlos has been killing it for a while. Look at Devious, brand new. He signed up yesterday afternoon, and he is making over up to $600 on each of his Apex accounts just from today. Huge. Huge, huge, huge. Awesome, awesome.
Order canceled.
Dave N, 2 evals, second is CL, and then 4 evals on ES. Look at that. Yep, the coupon code for Apex is SAVE90. We are still in this long of the natural gas, $460. This is on Bold Wave, which will be released this weekend. Again, we go live twice a day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. This is NQ, which already had a $1,400 run earlier at the 8:30 PMI report, and now is in this long for $800. And you can see the trail is moving itself up. Bud, give me a second. What do you want?
Order submitted.
Gold is also in a long. Gold is in this long, $150. The trail has moved up. Gold is green, $380 on the morning. So if you were running just these 3 waves, 400, 1,600, 1,600 realized, and then another 1,500 unrealized. So $3,000 if you close the waves as they are right in this moment. $500 on natural gas. What do you need? What's wrong? Do you want me to help you? Then come here and let me help it. But I have to keep doing this call until 10:30. I'll send it back to the 4th of July. Yep, sounds good. Yes, you can start with $5,000 for sure. You could also do the Apex route, but $5,000 is a good amount to start with a cash account. The minimum, without Jerome, it's always a lovely day. Hey, William. Exactly. Jerome loves to jump in and ruin our days. Like Wednesday and Thursday, only had red trades because he was speaking. He's a waste of time. He is a waste of time, I'll tell you that. $1,450. 3,000 unrealized on waves right now. How do you get multiple Apex accounts? Yep. So you can only buy 1 at a time, but you're allowed to have up to 20. $900 on this NQ long, y'all. You see this? $900. How do you manage a trail with the Apex to drawdown? So again, that goes back to understanding the risk. So on this, let me show you ES. ES range, when it wins, and the win doesn't really matter. When it loses $700. So can you handle a loss of $700 each day on your Apex account? That's what you have to ask yourself. You have to ask yourself. And then oil. Oil is risking $350. So there are different strategies in my group that have less risk, that are more conservative. There are other ones that have more risk, that are more aggressive. So you have to say, as an Apex user, I'm an Apex user and my drawdown is $2,500. What should I do? You need to do this to yourself. You need to ask this to yourself in your head. And you need to make a plan. And I say this every single day to my members. You need to make a plan. Even if it takes you a little longer, the more conservative, if you're just running oil. Now this week on oil, you would pretty much, was it red 700? You would be red on the week. So that sucks. But last week on oil, was green, $1,510. So, you know, it's a give and take kind of situation. But you could do oil and gold. A lot of people do that. You could do oil and ES. That on the week, you'd be green $1,000. So, and you know, and that's just with the minimum sizing. We only take the minimum, I only take the minimum sizing. You can take as much as you want. But again, that goes back to understanding the risk. Yes, you could do MNQ. You could do the NASDAQ. So the NASDAQ setups have higher risk, but you could do those on micros. So you could do 5 micros on the NQ setups. So it just depends on what is your risk and how are you going to kind of keep that in line. Because that's the worst thing, especially when you're in a funded account. You really need to build that cushion. And, okay. You really need to build that cushion and get comfortable in that. Don't worry. Here, I'm fixing it now. For your account to survive. Because you don't want to get funded and then take large sizing and then be like, oh crap, I just busted my account. Like, nobody wants that. Where does this one go? Oh, this one goes up here. Here, I already fixed his nose. We're having a Lego issue over here. Oh, here, I fixed all of it. Here you go. Here you go. He's fixed. It's okay. It's okay. Here you go. Go sell. I noticed the range only trades on the AM as that's the best time. No, that's not correct. It also oh, you mean like it doesn't trade overnight? It also trades in the afternoon. I actually have overnight range setups that are in testing that we might be rolling out soon. Instead of like maybe the LASs. What's the minimum you should start with? Just came across this. Yep. So Kiana, if you're doing cash, it would be at least $3,000. The best would be anywhere from 5 to 10K if you're doing cash. $1,000 on this NQ long with 1 mini. Remember, it had a $1,400 trade before this. Hi, John. Also, natural gas is still in the long as well, $450. Gold is green, $560 on waves, and in another trade, $110 here. I think we're missing a piece on this or something. I'm going to have to figure this out later because this is definitely supposed to be in between the snake and not like here. Just be careful because it's missing a piece on top. So just don't make his head crazy. Thanks, Jen. So we go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We only go live on TikTok twice a day. YouTube is only in the morning. Please give a thumbs up. Tap that screen if you appreciate the content and the stream. Again, I'm going live so you guys can see this in action. I don't actually have to do this. I could be at breakfast right now. If you know me, you know how much I enjoy eating out. All right, I don't know where this piece goes on the tiger. I think I found it. It goes under his mouth. Here you go. Yep. Thanks for the roses. That's so nice. So, and again, Apex is an option. If you don't have cash to trade with, you can use a prop firm. The way that the prop firm works is you have to pass an evaluation, which is not very hard to do with my auto trading algorithm. You sign up for Apex. The Apex sale ends on Tuesday. They're doing a 90% sale with coupon code SAVE90. If you email me, all of this information is in the email. Whether you want to do the cash route or the Apex route, it's all in the informational email. So please just email me, boldbotllc@gmail.com. I've got an Apex active, but getting trouble with Ninja. So you don't need access with Ninja. That's the thing, Kaka. You only need Apex. Once you get your Apex accounts, you sign up with the algorithm, and we get you all linked up and set up and ready to go. We only use NinjaTrader as the platform. You're not getting a NinjaTrader account when you're using Apex because Apex is your account. So think about it that way. Either you have a NinjaTrader cash account or you have an Apex funded account. Then everybody uses NinjaTrader just for the platform. But you don't need any approval to use the platform. You get that automatically with paying for Apex. So, as I was mentioning, if you want to do Apex, you don't need any of your own cash. You don't risk any of your own cash. You don't owe them any money if you lose money. It is 100% essentially risk-free with Apex, except for your $17 that you're going to have to pay for the account. So you go to Apex, you pay $17, you get a $50,000 account. If you bust that $50,000 account, all you lose is your $17 entry fee, essentially. Now, you put it on the algorithm trades for you. You can have up to 20 of those accounts. Again, it is a 90% sale. So normally those accounts are going to cost you $167 per account. Right now, they're only $17. So you could go and get up to 20 of them, $17 each. Then you put it on the algorithm trades, passes evaluation, and then you're in the funded process. When you pass evaluation and you go to the funded process, there is a one-time fee that you have to pay Apex for market data and access to the platform. That is $150 per account. Yeah, $25,000 account is too small. The $50,000 account is what we recommend. The $50,000 account is going to be the best bang for your buck because it has a more proper drawdown amount, and the profit like target is very obtainable very easily within 3 to 4 days on the algorithm. Like today, we're up over $1,000, so you would already be a third of the way to your profit. Yes, but or 1,400. Yes, I'm almost done. I promise. Like 5 more minutes, okay? 5 more minutes. Go put on the timer with Alexa. So yeah, so then you have a funded account, and you still need to be careful and cautious. You still use the algorithm, but you use it on, the more conservative setups, the setups that don't have the big potential losses, or you do the bigger ones on micros. You do that for say like a week or two, and then you start building up that cushion. So now you're at your account, instead of starting at 50,000, it's now at 55,000, and you have a $5,000 cushion. You get up to 58,000, 60,000. Once you are up to 60,000, you are golden, because you simply just keep cashing out every 2 weeks, and you keep enough in there to sustain the ability to have losses and to go with these waves that the trading market has. Please be careful back there, because that's where the circuit breaker is, like the cord thing, and I don't want you turning it off. The little one is homesick, but not really sick, so probably could have gone to camp today. Jen will be live this afternoon without a little one in the background. So lucky. And we are going to be resting because we have plans this weekend. It's 10:12. I'm probably going to wrap it up here soon, but let's talk about these trades. Gold has locked up that trade. It's green $740 on the morning. Let me pull up the breakdown of those trades for you so you can see them. This is on Wave. This is what's going to be released this weekend to my premium members. $740 on the day. It's taken 7 trades for 85% win rate. Now, natural gas is still in this first initial trade, $400. It was as green as 5 something, so I might try to have this moved up, but the dogs act up sometime. And then NQ has already made $1,100, and then it's in this $1,100 long. Joe, it just depends on the week. So if you are running ranges conservatively, like the first week of June, we made $3,000. The second week of June, we made $2,200. So that's what I'm saying. Like 2 weeks, that's $5,000. If you're not withdrawing, and then the week before that, the last week of May, we made $3,000. So you could make it in, 3 to 4 weeks. But, that first week or so, you have to be super conservative.
Order submitted.
Yes, we are green at $900 on the week now, even with the super red day yesterday. Yes, Asumusu. But sometimes, yeah, exactly. All right, green 1,000, and that's not with LIS. So LIS this week and scalper is green 2,100. I'm simply just talking about bold range. So if you want to add in LIS and you want to add in scalper, then it's going to be another $2,100. So really, it would be $3,000 on the week. 1 more minute. The only people that can get Wave are people that are already in my group. It's a premium service, and it's only being offered to people that have been in my group for at least a month. And it's being released this weekend. And right now, Wave on the day is green, $3,100. And that's with one mini on, and it's only traded natural gas, oil. Did oil? No, oil didn't have any trades on this one yet. Natural gas, NQ, and gold. So the NASDAQ, natural gas, and gold. Please, what's the promo code for Apex? Save 90. Again, all of this is in the email, Osamusu. You've been on the live stream several times. Please just email me. Everything is in the email. boldbotllc@gmail.com. That is the easiest way to understand what's happening, what you need to do next if you want to do something. You know, there's no pressure, but I'm just saying, if you want more information, the best way, instead of asking me the same question over and over, is to just email. We're green $1,300 on this long with one contract. Yes, and if somebody only speaks Spanish, I have coverage for that. We have a all Spanish email. Just email us and say you need the Spanish version. We will send you the informational email in Spanish. And then when you join the group, I have several people that are fully fluent in Spanish that can help you out, including my admin, my onboarding specialist, Irma, who's in the chat right now. She is the best. $1,400 on this long. This is the second trade of NQ, and they both went $1,400. This one closed out at $1,100. This one is at but this went up to $1,400, and now this one is up at $1,400. Like, what more can you ask for? This is exactly what we're rolling out this weekend. I'm going to stretch this out so I can send it to my group. $1,400 and then another $1,400 back to back, one mini on Bold Wave. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I'm talking about. All right, I'm going to wrap it up here. I love this trade. I'm going to keep this open, actually. You guys can watch this if you want. I'm just going to go help my... I'm going to go help my little one because he wants something. And I'll keep this on until 10:30 for the next 17 minutes. So Jen and Irma, if you're in chat, you could help answer some questions. I'm going to leave this up so you guys can see how this trade works out. What,
Why isn't this moving?
Why is what moving?
It's not moving. Even though it just
off
on.
Oh, look, now it's moving. Here, push the black one in the middle. It might need, I was going to say, maybe it needs a new battery. Again, we go live every day, 9:30 to 10:30, and then 2 to 3 p.m. Hey, Taylor, what's up?
Don't use all of it. Just turn it off.
Okay, well, then just turn it off. We go live every day, so we'll be live again on TikTok from 2 to 3 p.m. Make sure you follow us at live_boldbot. This is the only TikTok that we go live on. I will never message you on TikTok. I will never message you on Instagram. If you want more information, you have to email me. Yep. The algo is green. 36, 37. Almost $4,000 on the day, Taylor, with one mini on Bold Wave. John F., please send an email to boldbotllc@gmail.com, and we will get you all the information you need. It's a very short informational email. It will break down Apex, and it will break down the cash option. Gold is in another long here. So gold, natural gas, and NQ all in longs on Wave. Are you playing with that? Or did you want me to get the thing for you? The China? I have to open this up and like clean this out. Do you see how dusty it is in there?
Open it up then.
I know we'll have to get some like a screwdriver. Oh no, we could just do it like this. Look, there's like these things that twist.
Oh yeah.
Here, come look at it. Do you have one on that side or no? Here, come under here and do it. All right, well, maybe I don't need, now do the other ones. There's 4 of them. Go ahead, scooch under. Look, I put a task to clean the thing on the computer. Yes, and guys, remember, no live stream on Monday or Tuesday. It is the national holiday in the U.S. of Independence Day. So
on the back too.
Yeah, well, you gotta get. I said there's 4 of them. You gotta get all 4 screws. Can you twist them?
1, 2, 3, 4, and then there's some in the back.
Oh, I think the side will be fine. I think we could clean it from the side if we just like blow some air in there. $1,500. Got it, Taylor. Excited to have you back. Nice job on that long also. 520 on the natural gas, 540 on the natural gas long, 1,600 almost here on the NQ long. Y'all, this is insane. 1,400 on the previous trade.
This one.
Now 1,600 on this trade. Yeah, give me 1 second, bud. Is the one in the back tight?
Yeah.
$16.50. I gotta redo that picture.
You just got some money.
You just got some money. That's why I like the cash register. I think it gets people hype. What?
No.
Did you hurt yourself? Okay, well, I might need to get like a little screwdriver or wrench or something. If this one's tight. Oh, no, here, I got it. All right, go ahead. Keep going. Go ahead. Twist it to the lefty-loosey. No, yep, there you go. Whoa, we got to clean that out. So cool. 1,700, almost 1,800 on this long. What is happening? I'm glad I stayed on here for you guys to see this. $1,780 on this long with one mini. Oh, there's only 35 of you left. You guys left. You guys left. All right, we're going to clean it out. We're going to clean it out. Say, excuse me. The word is excuse me.
The word is move.
Oh, my gosh.
Mama, come on so we can clean it out.
All right.
Come on so we can clean it out. Mama, come on, let's go out. Mama, come clean.
All right. So, about this wave. I don't like to see all these profit I can't be in. $1,800. Listen, this weekend, all right? That's why wave one, they're going to, that's funny. We're actually rolling it out in waves, and it's called wave. These wave one folks are going to be loving it. All right, I'm getting off here. Have a good day. Thanks for joining. Bye.